This is North back again. Welcome to my channel. Today this video is just going to be about fragrances that I have yet to unbox. They're still in their packaging. I just wanted to mention them, so this is a haul video. First one I want to mention is from the house of Parfums de Marly. This is Oajan by Parfums de Marly. If you don't know, all of the fragrances, this is the Arabian line, right? So this is from the line of Orientals that they've made. But with all of their fragrances, they're either named after horses or they're named after riders, jockeys of the horses. So this is considered an amber fragrance. It's unisex. It came out in 2013. The top notes are cinnamon, honey, and osmanthus. The mid notes are benzoins, ambergris, labdanum, and Artemisia. I haven't heard of that. The base notes are tonka bean, vanilla, patchouli, and musk. This is actually a gourmand. It's a very gourmandish fragrance. I was so happy to get this at a discounted price. I had been holding on to it for I don't know what special occasion with COVID and whatnot, but I just really wanted to save this one if I could. So that's the first one. Oajan by Parfums de Marly. The next fragrance is from the house of Thierry Mugler, and this is Angel Man Pure Coffee. I definitely was very happy to find this because I am a fan of these flankers from Angel Man. First one I got, I think, was pure malt. Then I got pure tonka. I don't have almost all of them. I have maybe 5 or 6 of them, and I'm not really interested in getting all of them, but if I do find them, especially the ones that are discontinued like this, I am going to pick it up. And I got this for like a couple of dollars less than retail, and this is discontinued, hard to find. So Angel Man Pure Coffee by Mugler. The notes here are coffee, patchouli, musk, vetiver, and cedar. The next fragrance is going to be tester bottle. This tester bottle is Polo Ralph Lauren Supreme Leather. So I have Supreme Oud. Where I'm at, they do have Supreme Cashmere. I really just wasn't interested in picking it up. I already have a lot of fragrances, and I'm trying to just diversify and just find different houses that are nice, so maybe save my money for those. But this one I was able to find a tester. All right, Polo Supreme Leather. This one came out in 2015. I believe all of these are discontinued as well. The top notes are nutmeg and cardamom. The mid notes are leather and saffron. The base notes are tonka bean and honey. So I am looking forward to trying this on the next time fall comes around. The next fragrance is from the house of Montale. This is Oud Dream. All right, good thing about these Montale fragrances, purchasing them here in Kuwait, is that in the States, for example, they run for about 170 US dollars for 100 mil, 170 US dollars for 100 mil. Here you get them retail from a retailer, I believe it's called Al Jazeera, a retailer called Al Jazeera, and they sell them anywhere between 30 KD, which is around 100 US dollars, or 35 KD. 35 KD is the most expensive, so that's going to be around $116, $120. So that's like $50 off for retail. It's not discounted. This is the retail price here. Maybe because the Middle East is closer to Europe. So if there's something that I want and I can't find it at the discounted places that I go to where I get them significantly cheaper, I would just go ahead and buy it retail. Here, the notes on Fragrantica only say oud, patchouli, and rose, and I don't really get any of those. I only tried it once, but to me, this was more of a gourmand. So I'd have to come back to you on what I think I get from this. Next up, we have from the house of Mancera, the coveted Mancera. This is Gold Prestigium. Gold Prestigium. This one is considered a leather fragrance. It's unisex. It came out in 2016. Right. This, along with Montale, are the same perfumers. So for this one, Pierre Montale is considered the perfumer. So he makes so many colognes. It's ridiculous. So many perfumes and fragrances. Here it says the top notes are oud, pepper, and bergamot. The mid notes are orange blossom and rose. The base notes are vanilla, leather, white musk, and oak moss. So this one seemed to be a really good pickup. With these Manceras, there's just so many of them. Like today I'm wearing Sicily, and there's so many of them. And then when you see the reviewers, they're just raving about all of them. And I'm just trying to try different houses. I don't want to get caught up in trying to get, not every single Mancera, but not even 30 or whatnot. So here we go, Gold Prestigium from Mancera. Next up we have another Thierry Mugler. This is pure wood. This is one that again is discontinued that I just came across when I was at the grocery store. So when I saw that, I was like, how much for this? Again, I got it for less than retail on eBay and things like that. These are selling for exorbitant prices. This isn't as much as Ultra Zest, which I do have, but it's up there. It's around $200. I got this for less than 100. So this is pure wood. I haven't had a chance to smell it. I've never smelled it, but I did want to just pick up these flankers since they're like coveted in the frag com. So here, this one is considered an amber woody. It came out in 2014. It's oak, vanilla, coffee, patchouli, and cypress. So looking forward to wearing that too next season. Two more. Next one I have is from the house of Montale, Chocolate Greedy. So Chocolate Greedy. This one I wanted to pick up. I did smell it once. It did smell like straight chocolate. It didn't seem that exciting to me. You know, I looked at some reviews and a lot of them seem to be, you know, just like with Mancera, Montale releases so many fragrances. Whether they discontinued or not, I'm not sure. But there was only one like discounted that I saw that had it, so I was like, I might as well just pick it up. Here, it's considered an amber vanilla. It's unisex again. Came out in 2007. The notes here are cocoa, vanilla, tonka bean, coffee, dried fruits, and bitter orange. So again, I'll be wearing this in the fall or the winter time. We'll check that out. And the last one that I have that is still in the plastic. This one is my second bottle of it. I figured I'd get a backup of it because with the spring and summer fragrances, who knows how long they're gonna last. This is a Eau de Toilette, even though it says Cologne, but it will, I'll probably end up using it more. I'll have to do more sprays, so I'll run out of it. And this is discontinued as well, and this is, you know, going upwards in prices. Still not as ridiculous as Ultra Zest, but it's going up there. So I said I'll just pick up an extra bottle so I don't regret it. So L'Homme Idéal Cologne by Guerlain. This is considered a woody aromatic. This one came out in 2015. The top notes are grapefruit, orange, bergamot, and pink pepper. The mid notes are almond and neroli. The base notes are vetiver and white musk. So this is Guerlain Cologne L'Homme Idéal, another discontinued one. So definitely these discontinued ones, I'll try to keep in the package as long as possible. I'm not trying to sell them or nothing like that, but since I've turned into somewhat of a collector, you know, this is what I'm going to do. I have one honorable mention. This is because this is not in the plastic, but this is something I definitely will not be wearing until the winter and fall comes around. This is the tester I got of the Montale Oud Dream. So this is oud leather of Arabia, basically. So with the testers on Montale, if you ever see this with the reviewers, is that usually on Montales, this little thing, it's usually here, it's usually a stopper, but the testers, they're in here. So it has like that look, but it's not. It's still the same 100 ml bottle, it's still the same fragrance. So I picked that up. This is my honorable mention. Oud Dream by Montale. So thank you for visiting my channel again. If you can, please like and subscribe, leave a comment if you have anything to say, and I'll see you in the next video.